Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark 7 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the display. Then let's scroll down again and localize the option which is called sleep. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest, which is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes. As you can see, it is marked immediately, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.